In quiet corners where thoughts have space, there is a haven for those who seek a slower pace. Not lonely, just choosing a softer embrace. In the hush, they find a gentle grace. They talk less, but their words mean more. Listening to nature's music, feeling its core, they find comfort in alone where ideas pour. Their minds an uncharted, intriguing shore. With books and melodies, their hearts are full. While some may see this as less than usual, it's not about being tired, but feeling the pull. To restore their energy, in calmness, they are dutiful. Noise of the crowd can be a test. Sometimes it's just too loud, they need to rest. Back to their safe place, free from the quest. In the haven of quiet, they feel their best. Their thoughts are ripples on a calm pond. Their words are carefully chosen, creating a bond. In the quiet, they feel joy and respond, crafting a world of their own and beyond. Love is silent, but reaches deep. Feelings are treasures that they keep. In the quiet, their dreams gently seep. In solitude's song, their hopes sleep. So to those who relish the quieter view, who find peace in silence like morning dew, your quiet world is a tapestry of color and hue. The world needs your calm, your unique value.